Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well this summer. So I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Julia Hair, and if you guys check the info section below, I will have all the details and links provided there, and if I can find a discount code, I'll be sure to leave that down below as well. So here is the wig that I have. I have this Kinky Curly 13 by 4 inch 4C Kinky Edge lace frontal wig. My wig is 22 inches long, 180% density, and this is what it looks like. It does have those 4C natural kinky edges as well as the transparent lace.
She said, I need you in my life. Girl, I can't reach your mind. I think I'm running out of time. I wonder what you think sometimes. I wonder if you lie. But if you do, just save my life.
So as usual, I like to put the wig on just to see what it looks like directly out of the pack, and to further assess it to figure out if anything needs to be done, like any minor customizations or major. And it does look like this wig does need to be washed. It did pick up some frizz. I am going to be bleaching my knots per usual, and then I'm going to redefine these curls. So I'm starting off bleaching my knots. If you guys want to see this process in detail, I'll be sure to link a video in the cards above as well as in the links below. So be sure to check that out. However, I am using my BW2 powder in my 20 volume developer. I usually allow it to sit on my knots or on the lace for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now I am using 20 volume developer, so it may take a little longer, but it's really hot where I'm at, so it does process a lot quicker. Now I'm going to be shampooing and conditioning this unit. I'm just using random products because I'm moving and I'm trying to just get rid of, extra product that I have just sitting around. However, if you guys are interested in anything that I'm using throughout this video, I'll be sure to link everything below.
She said, I need you in my life. Girl, I can't reach your mind. I think I'm running out of time. I wonder what you think sometimes.
So after bleaching my knots and shampooing and conditioning the hair, I'm now going to do like some minor styling. I do want to wear this hair in a side part, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. You guys do notice that the perimeter of the hairline is already pre-plucked, so no work needs to be done there. I'm just going to slick everything down. However, I'm purposely avoiding the 4C kinky edges because I want to keep those as natural as possible. And shout out to the companies that give you a branded elastic edge bands, because these things always come in hand when I need them. But I went ahead and I just slicked everything down. Now I'm just applying a little bit of water, and I'm using the hardest brush that I can find. I find that a hard brush really helps clump the curls and give you more of a natural appearance. So I'm just brushing through the hair, and you can use product if you want to. I kind of want to keep this as soft and product free as possible, but this is what it looks like with me just using water and a hard brush. So usually I just let the wig sit and air dry overnight. This wig took about 2 days to completely dry, but for the most part this is what it looks like. It's super soft. This is what the front perimeter looks like. I will be fixing those kinky edges in a bit, so just give me a second. But you see how everything is nice and slick. So now I'm just going to go ahead and remove my lace. Here is what the lace looks like. Y'all know how I feel about transparent lace. It's just always white. It will never work for me. So I'm going to go ahead and tint that down. I'm just using a little bit of foundation, and I tend to go for the shades that is about a shade or two darker than my complexion. And this is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to go ahead and readjust the adjustable strap just to get a custom fit, because this wig is glueless. However, I will be gluing this down just for added security. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a stocking cap and then get my wig on. So this is what this wig looks like on. Now before I fix my kinky edges, I will be gluing my wig down. I'm just using my Melt Me Down spray, and I got this from Amazon. Once again, everything that I'm using throughout this video will be listed in the info section below, so be sure to check that out in case you guys are interested. Now this wig is glueless, so you don't have to use any adhesives. I, however, decided to use some just because I noticed that the lace was lifting and I kind of wanted the added security. So in order to make the kinky edges look natural, I just like to use like a brush to kind of break those apart so that they're not really clumped together, but they look more filled in the open gaps. And this is what this wig is looking like. I love the subtle frizz because it makes it look so natural, and I kind of shingled the very ends of the hair to kind of give it like that unruly natural appearance. This is kind of like what my natural hair looks like when I decide to wear it in the wash and go, which is very rare because I don't really know how to do wash and goes that well. But yeah, it did remind me of my natural hair. This is what this wig is looking like. Super natural, super soft. If you did develop any cast, you can break it off with your fingers to where it's not super crunchy or anything like that. I wanted to kind of give you guys a few different styling options just because I really did like this hair back in a ponytail. You guys don't mind the air tabs are kind of lifting. That's why I kind of don't really like this Melt Me Down spray, because it really doesn't work that well, but I will fix that later. So I decided to kind of put this wig in a ponytail. I'm going to go ahead and fix those ear tabs and get those glued down, but I wanted to wear this in a very effortless ponytail, something that you can wear to work, or you can wear, you know, to run errands, or just as a everyday style. And I'm liking it. I kind of pulled out some of the hair in the front to kind of give it that look, and then I use my little gold hair clip to pin up the back so it looks super effortless. Now I went ahead and I removed the claw clip, and I'm just kind of wearing it down. Looks very natural. And then I just took that little side bang situation and I just pinned it to the back to kind of give it like that everyday summertime look. So once again, this wig does come from Julia Hair. I'll have all the information and details located in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.